welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Ashley, and I hope you're having a great day today, guys. So today is Easter and Sunday. It's like basically it's Sunday, and so this morning, my dad went to my aunt's house to get some like activities and stuff because we weren't going to her house. So when he got home, he gave me this and said that my aunt decided to buy this for me, and today we're gonna unbox this thing, guys. I have never had this before, guys, and I'm really excited to open it. The name of this is raining tabletop fountain that can light, because it said LED in here. And yeah, guys, let's get started. Woo! Because more siya in a box, eh? That's why I like it, guys. I like miniature stuff. Gamay na stuff sa mag-gift. Okay. And my brother didn't decide of doing stuff. Okay. Let's take this thing up before, like...
Can you say hi to the guys, Eugene? Say hi.
Say hi! Put this thing out, guys. So, basically, there are rocks in here, guys. Look at these rocks. Some just...
Yeah, because that's a fountain.
Yeah. Go where's the rock? Go away. Okay. There's not a lot of them.
It's a cute one.
Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Whoa. Like flower shit wings. Look at that cute one, guys. Oh, did you, Eugene? Come on now.
Where you put that up?
In the picture.
Move, baby.
Yeah, we put the rocks in here.
Good
so.
job. Thank you.
Isn't it
Wow.
pretty?
Wow.
Hoy.
Lagi poksi.
Hindi mo na-fix. There's the lights, guys. The middle of the flower, guys. On light. And there's the turn off and turn on button, guys. If I wanted to turn it off. There's no charger and stuff like that. Oh, battery siya, guys. But some water. Do I put water inside? What type of kwan is this? Where's that kwan? Yeah, we do put water in it. Oh, it smells weird.
That's a rock, baby.
Huh. I might use this thing more. Putting this thing in my table, guys, put my decorations up room. Because my room is kind of plain, and I need to color things in it. So yeah.
It's a cutie. You don't know how much is that in the...
Yeah, I wonder how much is that. Like,
nearby. It's a 2 AA alkaline battery. Not included. You need to buy an alkaline.
an icon.
Battery.
Oh, features. Warm white glow, natural river stones.
Eugene, look at the guys.
Powered by 2XAA. Okay, so guys. Naman mi sa kwan siya, guys. Sana we have like kind of almost the same one, but like a different decoration.
Also. That's a cactus diffuser.
Okay, so this one, guys, my aunt bought it for me, and for the other one is mom bought it. She was the one that bought it. Oh, you got it, mom. You got it. No. Okay, guys. So my aunt, guys, bought this for me. And the other one, my mom bought it for me. So basically I have two, but like, the other one's for all of us though. But yeah. Oh, and my brother's destroying the rocks from this thing, guys. And I hope I don't lose none. But well. So, that's it, guys. Or later on, guys. It might take a long time, but let's see. What the heck is that? It just needs some kwan, guys, because we have the...
Brut.
Ma, is your kwan clean, ma?
Yeah, it is.
Baba! Hello! Honey, onay.
The other, ang usa ka gripo waniagas.
Baba! There it is. It just needs some warm up though.
Uy!
It just warming up, guys. Here, let's not try to film it. It's cool.
Mao dahil na it takes 40 minutes kay nag-warm up pa siya. So di pa siya tanan kuan.
So, salamat guys. Pasalamat tayo ko sa ako super chatters guys. And they are Melly's Kitchen with Mali. And Leah will next vlog. And Shika and Akisha's channel. And also for the people that always shares my videos, or Sir Mark, ang iya channel guys ay Kabuhid Mark, and the other one is Cecile. Salamat sa pag-share po.
Always.
For always like sharing my Reels video and supporting me in there too. And also my YouTube channel. And also Cecile Torino. And for the last, the Prodigies couple. And for all of you others that always support and always watching my views and my, what's the name of it? Yeah. And for the people that is watching and still support me, thank you guys. And I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like this video. And yeah, guys. Thank you again. Thank you guys. Like literally, I'm really thankful for all of you still like supporting me and like really still watching my videos and then, like giving me. Happy Easter, everyone. Have a great Easter. This is really good.